In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Ninjatrader Machine ID. If you've ever been asked for your Machine ID by Ninjatrader support, your broker, or when activating a license, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where it lives in Ninjatrader 8. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can get it in seconds. You don't need to dig through Windows settings or use third-party utilities. Ninjatrader shows the exact value inside the app, which avoids mistakes. Start by opening Ninjatrader 8 and make sure the Control Center is visible. The Control Center is the small management window that appears when Ninjatrader starts. It has the menu bar across the top with items like File, Tools, and Help, and it's the hub for launching charts and workspaces. If you don't see it, it may be minimized or hidden behind other windows. Look for the Ninjatrader icon on your taskbar and bring the Control Center to the front. If you're working on multiple monitors, check that it isn't tucked away on another screen. With the Control Center in view, move to the top menu and click Help. This opens a short drop-down intended for program and licensing details. From that drop-down, choose About. The About window will pop up with version information, installation details, and a section labeled License Information. Inside License Information, you'll see an entry called Machine ID. That's the exact identifier you're looking for. It's typically a long sequence of characters, unique to your computer and used by Ninjatrader to tie your license and connections to this machine. Carefully note it down exactly as it appears. If you need to share it with support, paste or type it into your message accurately, but avoid posting it publicly since it relates to your licensing. A couple of quick tips in case you don't see it right away. Make sure you actually opened About from the Help menu in the Control Center rather than from another window, and check that the About dialog hasn't opened behind other windows. You can also resize the About window if text is truncated. That's all there is to it. Open Ninjatrader 8, bring up the Control Center, go to Help, click About, and read the Machine ID under License Information. Once you've recorded it, you're ready to proceed with license activation or any support request that requires it. Keep this ID somewhere secure for future reference.